Good morning. Here we are out in the gym. It's a Wednesday morning. We are back at it. So we're gonna do a stretch routine this morning. We are back from our trip we went to New Mexico, went to Cloudcroft, New Mexico. That was kind of our home base, and we kind of tooled around that area in New Mexico. So got some video footage. It was a lot harder to put video footage together than I thought it was gonna be. So I'm not sure how PC the video is gonna be, but we'll figure it out eventually. So we'll get better as we do more trips. So anyway, yeah, I've got the video all downloaded on my PC. I got one more camera to get pictures off of, or actually all my cameras I gotta get the pictures off of, and one more video camera to get video off of, and then I'll see what I can put together. But yeah, no, I don't know how it's gonna look or what it's gonna look like or how it's gonna be, but it'll be our first attempt at putting some kind of video together for the channel of Sojourning. So anyway, we are back out here in the gym to do a workout. So this morning, like I said, I'm gonna do a stretch routine. I got the old extend your body. So that's 9 Pilates stretch moves. It takes about 5-6 minutes. So gonna get that done, do the same old thing. Gonna go out and at least walk. Not sure if I feel like jogging or not, but yeah, we spent a lot of time in the seat in the vehicle, so I'm gonna get my body all stretched out. And not sure what kind of workout we're gonna do for Thursday and Friday, tomorrow and Friday, but we'll do something. So anyway, let's get down on the mat and get this done. Let's hit it. Let's extend your body and do some longevity training. So here we go, let's hit it. All right, so we've got Wednesday of this week done. Calling this still a transition phase. Not really in an official cycle. We're still transitioning in between. But anyway, we did a stretch routine this morning, and that went well. You know, it took about 6 minutes. Extend your body. So was able to work on the spinal and torso engagement, and that definitely felt good after having not done any. It's not that I didn't do anything. We were active. We did hiking and things like that, but I haven't done any official working out. So wouldn't call stretching working out, but it is good to get a stretch in. So, and then the walk was a walk jog. So we did our quarter mile splits. Started at a quarter-mile walk and then jogged a quarter mile and then did those splits. So 3 jogs, 3 quarter-mile walks, and then a final cool-down walk that was 0.16 miles, 0.17 miles. So yeah, so we got that all done. Yeah, so yeah, we're, like I was mentioning in the intro, got video to work on. Not sure how long it's gonna take me to put that together. The thing is, we'll put that up, but we won't have anything to follow for a while. I do have some time off in July that we're gonna maybe go do something. So my son will be in town. He'll be on leave from his work, which is in the military. He's over at, I forget the name of the fort, but it's over in Louisiana. And he'll be here for 2 or 3 weeks. So anyway, he'll be probably in our workouts when he's here. So anyway, we're gonna head this on in the house. We'll let y'all go. We'll be back out tomorrow for some workout. Maybe I'll hit some something for the back, get back on track with the normal routines. And then we'll hit Friday. So we're on the downhill side, or about to be on the downhill side this week. I'm ready to level it off and stay at this level. I got to go back to work next week for a few days, and then I'll be off again. So anyway, we'll let you guys go. You guys have a great Wednesday. Take care. Be safe. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. Go do it. All right. We'll see you.